The Philippine National Police is considering the possibility of having one of the suspects in the murder of beauty pageant contestant Geneva Lopez and her Israeli boyfriend Yitzhak Cohen serve as a state witness. PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Colonel Jean Fajardo stated that the revelation from the SUV driver played a vital role in the recovery of the couple's bodies at a quarry site in Barangay Santa Lucia, Capas, Tarlac. Fajardo mentioned that they will provide the court with all the necessary evidence and documents to support his application as a state witness.
Sinasabi rin po niya na siya rin po yung inutusan ng isa sa mga POIs natin na mag-drive po nung sasakyan na sinunog po, na natagpuan nga po na ito yung mga testimonya na napakahalaga, pero we don't want to just rely dito sa testimonya nitong key witness. Gusto nating i-back up yun ng mga forensic evidence para siguraduhin na back up po at matibay ito, na in case magkakaroon tayo later on ng pagbago ang isip niya na wala siyang alam and all. But napakahirap baguhin yung isip ng isang tao na nakita natin mismo yung bangkay na nandoon.